Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make cream baklava. First, let's prepare the essential syrup. Combine 2 cups of sugar with 1 cup of water in a saucepan and bring it to a gentle simmer. Stir until the sugar dissolves, then add a squeeze of fresh lemon juice. This prevents the syrup from crystallizing. Allow it to cool completely. A cold syrup is crucial for crispy baklava. Next, we'll create the rich cream filling. In a saucepan, whisk together 2 cups of milk, 1/4 cup of cornstarch, and a touch of sugar. Cook this mixture over medium heat, stirring constantly until it thickens to a pudding-like consistency. Remove it from the heat and stir in a tablespoon of rose water or vanilla extract for a delightful aroma. Let it cool slightly. Now for the assembly. Take your phyllo dough and brush each sheet generously with melted butter. Layer half of the phyllo sheets into your baking pan, ensuring each layer is buttered. Carefully spread the cooled cream filling evenly over these layers. Then, top with the remaining buttered phyllo sheets. Before baking, cut the baklava into traditional diamond shapes. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit until golden brown. Bake your baklava for 40 to 50 minutes, or until it's beautifully golden brown and crisp. The moment it comes out of the oven, immediately pour the completely cold syrup over the hot baklava. This temperature contrast is key for that perfect texture. Garnish with chopped pistachios if desired. Remember to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.